Okay, good morning, class. So, as everybody's saying, we must move on. Nice. We're going to do our rational numbers. We're looking at the examples for exercise 2, and exercise 2 is on page 64. Right, so today we're looking at addition and subtraction of rational numbers. You guys can make this notes at the end of my explanation. I don't want the video to be too long, okay? All these notes, I'll give you a chance to write it in. Alright. So to add or subtract fractions, we need to find the common denominator. In other words, or i.e., the LCM of the denominators. Okay? Christelle, is Christelle okay? You still among the living, my girl? Please don't die yet. Okay? I don't want to write no report on what your last words was and all of those. Okay? What's your name? Oh, you got holidays and good for us. Okay? People? So you must find the LCM first. So you've got negative 7 over 9 minus 5 over 6. What's your LCM here? What's your LCM, people? Eh? Okay, let's between 9 and 6. 9 is the larger denominator. Can 6 go into 9 without remainder? No. Let's count the multiples of 9. 9, 18. Can 6 go into 18?
Yes.
Yes. So 18 is the LCM. Not so? Right, so 9 times what is 18? 2. And by 2. What's negative 7 times 2? Negative 14. 6 times what is 18? 3. So it's minus. Where am I getting that minus from? From that thing. What's 3 times 5? 15. What's negative 14 minus 15? Negative? The signs are the same. You must add them. So it's going to be firstly negative. And 14 plus 15 is 29 over negative 29 over 8. Okay. I said the holiday isn't good for you guys. I did maths over the holiday. Whole holiday. Besides the last 3 days of the holiday. And I felt so bad when I didn't do maths those days. The whole 3 weeks you guys did nothing. Sorry? Geometry. Just give her a round of applause. So we had the doctor of algebra. Okay, now we're going to have the doctor of geometry. Okay. Christelle? Here we go. People, number 2. We got 5 over 8 minus 4 over 5. What's the LCM? 40. Right, 40 is the LCM. So I get a 40. How do I get from 8 to 14? Times 5? 5. 5 times 5? 25. 5 times what is 40? 8. 4 times 8? 32. Which one is bigger, 25 or 32? 32. So the ultimate answer is going to be? Negative. The final answer is going to be negative. The negative don't have to be so big, okay? So what we do is subtract those numbers. What's 32 minus 25? 7. Huh? Just check. 7. Verstaan julle? Right. Next. Number 3. We've got negative 5 plus 2/3. We know the answer is going to be negative 4 and a third. Now let's act dumb and we don't know those. Okay. This is naturally over 1. What's your LCM here? 3. How do I get from 1 to 3? times by 2. We don't add people. Times by 3, sorry, not 2. So negative 5 times 3. Negative 15. Plus 3 times what is 3? 1. Answer is 2. Is 15 or 2 greater? Bigger? 15. So the answer is going to be negative. So do we add or subtract these numbers? Subtract. 15 minus 2? 13 over 3. You did say 17. Give an answer of 4, a negative 4 and a third. Okay. You guys understand? You're laughing a lot today, no? I like it, but don't let that get in your way, okay? Rule number 4. Number 4. We've got negative x over 3 plus x over 2. What is your LCM here? 6. Okay. Let's multiply this by 2. Multiply by 3. To get the LCM, the equivalent in fractions. Okay. So what's negative x times 2? Negative 2x. Plus 3 times x? What is larger, 2 or 3? So the answer is going to be positive. Do I need to write this positive here? No. What's negative 2x plus 3? Or what's 3 minus 2? 1. This is 1 x. So it can be written like that. Or 1x over 6. Or 1 over 6. All of that is the same thing. Okay? Khairam, you okay? Any confusion, people? Right. Let's carry on with our lives. Number 5. Number 5. We have 5x minus 3x over 2 or 3 over 2x equals. So 5x is naturally 5x over 1. What's your LCM here? 2. So that must be multiplied by 2. What is 5x times 2? Sorry? 10x. Minus. This must multiply by 1. So what is 3x times 1? What's 10x minus 3x? 7x. It's going to be 7x over 2. Or it can be written as 7 over 2. You'll see me write it more often like this. But if you had written it like that, no problem. There's something to note that it was written next to it. It's part of the numerator. It must be written on top if you're going to write it like that. This will never be 7. That will never be 7 over 2. Okay. If it's next to it, the variable belongs to the numerator, to the top. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But here we got negative 5ab over 2 plus ab over 3 minus 2ab over 3. What's your LCM here? 1. So the numerator, denominator is multiplied by what to get 12? 6. So what is negative 5ab times 6? Negative 30 ab plus 3 multiplied by what is 12? 4. AB times 4? 4. Minus 4 multiplied by what is 12? 3. So negative, so 2AB times 3? negative 30AB plus 4AB? What is negative 30AB plus 4AB? So the answer is going to be positive or negative? So you must subtract, no? 30 minus 4? 26AB. Okay. Now, minus 26AB, minus 6AB. The sign will be negative. They have the same sign. So what do? You add. So 26 plus 6? 32AB. So it's negative 32. AB over. Now what? You can simplify. What number goes into the highest common factor goes into 12 into 32 without remainder? 6? 6 goes into 32 how many times? Okay, 8. 4. 4 goes into 12? 3 times. 4 goes into 32? 8. So the answer is negative 8AB over 3. You're still counting in sixes this year. So you're convinced that 32 is part of that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you don't know your timetable. 6, 12, 18,
24.
24, 30, 32. Oh, 36. The 32 is not part of it. Okay. People, any confusion there?
Yes, sir.
So this brings us to the end of the examples for exercise 2, which is on page 64. Okay. You guys can add that exercise to your homework, but only do for me the odd numbers, the 10 odd numbers now. Okay.
On the PDF.
Yeah, on the PDF. Okay.